Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide tweets on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support option. Scroll down a little and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Select Privacy and Safety option. And then tap on very first option, that is Audience and Tagging. Now enable Protect Your Post option. Only your current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post. And this is how you can hide tweets on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.